Hi, this is the continuation of OPNsense installation. We're going to be creating an A record so that we can use the host name to access the firewall, and we will issue a wildcard certificate for it. So let's get started. Now we log into our firewall. First of all, we make sure we have an IP, and if we check, yes, we have an IP. If you remember, the range was 101 through to 149, so this one got the 101 IP. The firewall is 192.168.424.1. Okay, we sign in. Of course, this is the first time we log in, so it's going to go through the system configuration wizard. So our hostname is firewall, domain is ultimate-admin.com. Time zone, this is okay because we've already set that. This is our LAN, that's fine. No need to change it. And reload. Now we have to do the updates. It's a good idea to make sure we are up to date. Okay, and scroll down and update. It will have to reboot. Uh, Now it says firewall at ultimate-admin.com. Great. Now we need to access the firewall using HTTPS. We don't have a certificate yet, so that's fine. It will give us an error, and we'll fix that shortly. Now we don't have access from the outside. This is all local. So now to access it from the outside, we have to create a rule to access the firewall on HTTPS. TCP, source any destination in this firewall. HTTPS. And save. Apply changes. Now we should be able to, we have to create an A record for it. So we go to wherever we registered the domain and we add an A record with our IP. We can check that it's been populated. Yes, it's working. Now we create an SSL. We'll get a trial from SSLS wildcard certificate because you have to create an account if this is your first time. I created a temporary email for now until we get our own hosting services up and running. Yeah, use their own CSR, that's fine. They will they should send us a link to that email. We just copy and paste the link, that's it. And certificate is ready. We download it and go to our firewall to apply it. Now they should send us a certificate and we already have the key. So now here we import, we give it a name. I've already done that, so we'll just give it a different name. And we get the certificate and the private key. Just open them using a text editor and copy and paste. Now we go to settings, administration, and we choose the new certificate. They're both the same. Should ask us to redirect. So now try it. Voila. Certificate is ready. Okay. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video.